Yo, what's going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is we're just going to be getting into some sneakers that have landed in my inventory recently. Maybe, I'm not sure what I titled the video, probably something to do with, inventory landing or a little seller hold, what I've been buying recently. That'll probably be, end up being the title, but that's aside from the point. Just going to be showing you guys again what's been coming in recently. We got a few pairs, we've added recently some Dare Skateboards SB special boxes. They've kind of been there for a while. Also, my personal pair of Verdi SBs, those landed. Glad about that. Retail pair, doesn't, blessed about that one. But yeah, we got some other stock right here that has just landed, and we'll dive into it. Y'all can see we got some good pairs right here. If y'all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Just trying to 300 likes on this video. Just lets me know y'all kind of want more content, seeing what I'm buying, things like that. And of course, you can check us out down below at Resell Vision. You guys can see the undermarket pairs of medium olive Travis Scotts have been doing this week. Those are going to be shipping out this week to members as well. We did a bunch of Verdi's undermarket. Those are going out to members. We'll be doing more of those if they want them. I mean, we're giving away a pair right now, so if that's something you're into, get in there. Don't miss out on that. That's pretty much everything I need to say, other than you can check me out my IG's down below. You ever want to buy, sell, or trade with me? Because keep in mind, a lot of these pairs, ones that people have ordered off me. So if you're interested, let me know. And of course, for the members of Resell Vision. So check us out there, get in on that giveaway, and feel free to hit me down below. That's everything I need to say. Let's show you guys what's been coming in recently to the inventory or going out. So the first one I want to show you guys right here, we got a size 11.5 Verdi SB Dunk Low. Y'all probably saw that one. But yeah, just taking a look, you guys can see the hang tag it comes with. And of course, there was recently a price drop for these. So I kind of went out the way, got a couple more, because again, when the prices drop down, it's a good opportunity to buy them again, you know what I mean? Especially since this is a pair that will go up over time with its uniqueness. If people are going to let it go a little bit cheaper, I'm cool with that. And you guys can see it's a good size as well. So definitely put some lower bids out there. You actually might end up getting one. You never know. It's always worth it to try. So first one I want to show you guys. Pretty cool pair, but there's also another really cool pair I want to show you guys. Got to get this one out today or tomorrow. This one's going out. I already went to UPS today. Dropped off like 20 things. I'm not going to make them, like ship 50 things for me. So as you guys can see, this SB Dunk Low, y'all may know what this is. I mean, here's the collab. There you go, neck face SB. And again, this is for a member in Resell Vision. We did these way under market price. And you guys can see, this is just such a sick one. I actually have my size sitting in my inventory in case I ever end up, wanting to wear this pair. But I got to get one more because I do want to keep one on ice. This is a cool enough pair where it will be probably, $400. I could see being a $400 shoe down the line. Obviously, right now it's floating around. Some sizes are actually about across $300, and no surprise. I mean, just check out every single detail you have in this SB Dunk Low. Like, wow, yeah. It's just, there's a detail on every single part of the shoe. I mean, from, the insoles are crazy to, that detail right there on the tongue tag. I mean, check that out. And they actually add on the other pair. Let me show you guys this. There you go, two pretty cool SBs. Always buying, unique SBs. Over time, those go up. But you guys can see right here, here's the other pair right here. And you guys can see, look at that. It comes with some other patches that you can add on to the shoe. So, pretty cool detail. Here's the other one. Look at that. Look at that. You don't even get a swoosh, you get that instead. So, just such an awesome pair, so unique. And, yeah, for my SB fans, most people know what these are, that are, like, big in the, if you're deep in the SB scene, you've seen these, you know what I mean? You maybe even have a pair, because they're just, wow. Yeah, I remember the release day for these. I took it out. But just such a crazy SB. Big fan. Wish I hit them for retail, but I'll gladly pay, fair resale price on these. So yeah, if anyone needs like a 8, 9, 9.5, hit me on my Instagram for sure. I think I have a 10 too, so let me know. But yeah, trying to stay organized while making this video, so I put those pairs up. But another one we got right here, as y'all can see, another Verdi SB. This is for a Resell Vision member, size 9. Yep, we did these at $250 in there. So, hey, we're going to be doing more, for those prices. So, if that's something you guys are into, definitely check that out. But, I mean, again, this is just such a unique pair with the Grateful Dead comparisons with them, not restocking this pair. And with it just being so hard to cop at retail, and also it having that solid demand, it's not going to take too long for these to start making some progress, in my opinion, considering it was the most limited SB release of 2024, from what I know. Other than some of the ones that didn't release on sneakers, things like that. But I think most SBs we've seen this year have released on sneakers, so y'all can see that corduroy, pink swoosh, everything on it, and of course, unique Nike font. So yeah, I definitely got more than a couple of these I put away, because long term this will be one that people will look for. A couple years from now, people will be looking for this. They'll be like, man, I wish I had a pair. Yeah, I think it's a good idea. If you want it, if you want your pair, definitely get it sooner rather than later. Personal opinion. Just like the recent Travis's. But aside from that, y'all can see some other ones we got right here. I'll take a little we'll take a little dive right here, you know what I mean? We'll take a little look. So these are just some White Thunders. Again, I've shown y'all White Thunders a million times on camera. I'm not gonna do that. I mean, here's another one here. We'll take them out. really, really quick, you know what I mean? But yeah, I've shown y'all these a million times, but always buying these. Again, this is going to be one that come Christmas time, yeah, these are going to be going absolutely crazy. Bet on that. At least in the big sizes and larger grade school ones. I bet you there will be heavy demand for those on consignment. So I definitely have more than a few of those for that. Hopefully you do too. That'll be an easy play. I feel like that's a safe bet. Same with like the Breads, military blues, like any type of classic colorway or just, you know, popular colorway when it comes Christmas time. People pay higher for it just because they, you know, it's one that people will come back to or want a new pair of. Well, they never got it, so they're getting it now. But aside from that, here's another one that I have a few of these as well. I feel like, again, the Medellin Sunset ones go for like, I think like $600 in some sizes. Maybe I'm wrong. So yeah, the Medellin Sunsets can go for that. Obviously, these ones have more stock, but y'all can see what we got right here. J Balvin Rios, clean pair, man. I mean, you cannot go look. Check that out. Loving these. Might be, again, I've argued that, you know, they might be more wearable than the Medellin Sunset. I think if you want to go out the way and say, oh no, the Medellins are more wearable, I think that's totally fair. I think that's totally fair because I actually wouldn't disagree. Like, you know, I mean, black shoes are, you know, I think wearable pretty much anywhere, anytime. But yeah, that Medellin colorway is just super sick, kind of like that cream leather they chose to use. It's really nice. That's a nice pair of shoes right there. I see why they went up so much, at least from what I've seen. Maybe they came back down. But yeah, another one that, you know, came in the inventory recently. A little small size 7 not Medellin Sunset. I'm getting them confused now. What was that the name? The Rios. My bad. Y'all can see them. Clean. Another one that came in the inventory recently, though. Y'all can see Lobster SBs. I mean, just, you know, look at what all the other Lobster SBs go for. Over time, this will be one that slowly floats up to those prices. I believe they've already gone up maybe like $7,500 in most sizes. But from what I've seen, at least, yeah, these are always a good one to buy just because, A, they're not that hard to sell, but B, you know, you might be able to get a good consignment sale. I've definitely seen that, you know what I mean? I've definitely sold more than a few of these, and I have a few of them to hold as well. Just a clean, you can't go wrong with these as well. I think they're pretty easy to wear, but also just most people, when they see these, if they're a sneakerhead, they recognize, you know, what they are, what the collaboration is, you know, because most of the Concept SBs are super, super valuable. So these will eventually be at those prices, but it's going to take a really, really long time because there's also a lot more pairs of these, I believe. But still one that, again, always going to be buying these, always. Here's a little bit of a better look, but yeah, just super, super clean. Big fan. Little baby size 7. We did these under Market and Resell Vision too. I think we did these at like $270. So yeah, little baby size 7. There y'all can see it. We also had these come in. Burgundy Crush 11.5. Also going out to a member. You know, just wanted, again, these have started making some progress upwards. The bone colorway is already up there pretty high in the big sizes, or getting up there in the big sizes. So these will eventually follow. They're not as liked, but still pretty. I mean, if you take a good look, these are actually pretty slick in hand. Like, see what I'm saying? I don't know why it's not showing, but yeah, there you go. Actually, a really nice SB Dunk Glow. Most people are sleeping on these. And we also had these come in recently. St. Patty's SBs. Again, no shoe for a member right there, but I actually have a lot of these. So if anybody needs one, feel free to hit me up in my Insta. I got a few sizes. I think up to like 11, but some of the big sizes, that's where it gets a little bit hard for me. My bad. But yeah, y'all can see a little lucky sign right there. I actually really like these. You know, you got the you got the purple box with them. Yeah, these are clean. Y'all can see that. I'm definitely going. I need to get one of these in my size for St. Patty's next year. Or honestly, I wouldn't even care. I'd wear these whenever. They're just clean. They got that green suede. You can't go wrong with it. So I'd rock these anytime. I don't care. And you know, we got some pairs moving in and out of the inventory in here. Like the Legend Blues, sold all those. I think I have some of those left, like maybe an 11.5, 12, maybe a 13. So if anybody needs to hit me up, but y'all can see there's a wide variety of sneakers in the closet. You feel me? And that's really what we got going on. We got some There SBs, Verdi SBs. Let me think. What else have been buying? Oh yeah, I got a size 13 Verdi up there. Like I've mainly been focusing on buying big size shoes. I got like a 3Y Verdi. You know, so like there's been some preschool ones on the way. Obviously we got these right here, these bad boys, dropping later this year. The Wizard of Oz's, as y'all can see. Here, I'll try and get a good camera view. It's not really working. The lighting is not great, but y'all can see those are going to be dropping later this year. We got the X-Ray Kobe's coming fairly soon. So yeah, there's a lot of good stuff on the way, but that's really just what I've been buying. I've been focusing on mainly getting niche items. I've been focusing on the new releases, like mainly the medium olives, but I would say I've been focusing on like the medium olives, the verdes, and then just like 2022, 2023 retro, just like pairs that, you know, people came back to, popular SKUs, you know, some popular SBs that, you know, made some progress back then that, you know, I'm looking at now, seeing where they're at. I think that's the type of stuff to look for right now if you just need kind of a general idea of what to be looking for. Yeah, this lighting is not cutting it. Let me move out of there. But that is what I can say about, again, what has been coming in the inventory recently. Lots of SB. That's mainly been the focus if you just need to know as well. So if you guys want more content like this, subscribe and like down below. Again, let me know what you've been buying recently. If you know, mainly just been buying personals. I got a couple I've been copping recently. You know, I rocked these today, the Cinemas. Was a big fan of these. Super comfy, actually. So I really like the choice of, I just thought I scratched them. I did not. But I really like the choice of material that I decided to go with on those. Definitely think that was good. But yeah, aside from that, don't forget to check us out down below at Resell Vision. You can see the Verdi SB giveaway we're doing right now, all the other things. I mean, we do deals every single day in there, so it's not just like giveaways, you know what I mean? There's like actual benefit that we try and bring every single night to you guys. So that is what I can say. We'll be doing more stuff today. I'm gonna, you know, main thing I'm gonna do right now is get something to eat, and then I'm gonna probably rest a little bit, and I'm gonna get this video edited and out. But first, I'm gonna get back to, you know, some DMs on Discord. Gotta get the members right, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm gonna sit still, stop swaying back and forth. Hit me up my Insta down below if y'all need anything. And yeah, your boy's also going to get clean. I've been outside all day, so that's the main thing we need to do as well. Because yeah, I'm tired. So we're going to make sure we get clean, get rested, and then get the rest of our work done for the day. So thank you guys. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Let me know again what you've been buying down below, and hit me up on my socials or anywhere else if you need anything. I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Don't miss out on that. Peace.
Sticks made a fucking hit.